I want to show you the garden in 5 minutes. So let's get started. This is how my garden was when we purchased it in 2019. The house is in a suburban town, and there was not much of a garden in there at all. But this is what we make out of it. We took some of the places and changed them drastically, as you can see. This is how we used to go up the deck, and now this is how it looks like. We started gardening here in 2021, so it's 4 years old garden. We added some playgrounds for the kids. We also added some fence to the back because, as you can see in the back, there's nothing to protect us. I mean, it was open to the neighbor's backyard, as you can see. So if they were there and we were here, it was uncomfortable. We decided to change that. My husband and I took on a mission to close it, and we did. And then we started a garden in this far corner where we had a maple tree. We added a few plants, a fountain. The fountain was for the birds and also to block the noises. We started amending some beds, and we were eager to start planting whatever we found. And many of the things were like trial and error because we didn't know much and we were trying to get accustomed to the weather, the sun, location, and all of that. So we did try a bunch of things that didn't work throughout the year, and then we learned. We added some sitting areas by the kids' playground, and we decided that we needed a division in the garden, so we added a wall of privets, and it worked for us. Now it became two garden. We work on the grass, fixing it. We added um, turf in the playground. This was a corner that we were working on by the side yard where we took off the a set of stairs coming down. We purchased this gazebo and added it to the deck because the sun there is unbearable, and we love it. It's an extension of the house. We use it all the time. We also work in the front garden. There was no lawn. There were barberries. There were overgrown plants. We added this edge of boxwoods there to divide the grass from our neighbors. It started to grow. The grass was working for us. We grew beautiful grass. And the barberry needed to go because that was pinching me all the time. So we did that. We have tried many plants. Some didn't work. Some were annuals. And this is how it looks now. This is the back where the playground was and the pool, and now this is how it looks. Again, this is the side yard, the deck with the gazebo, our new additions, and these are the privet, guys. Look how he grew. I'm loving how the evolution of the garden has happened, and many things are still gonna change, and that is okay. This is a small garden, but I want you to see what can you do in a small area if you want to add plants and have fun. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.